We start with Al and Janae live in Evergreen, where they've seen more than 3 feet of snow.
Incredible totals, and it is still snowing here tonight. Some people talking about close to 40 inches falling in this area, and it is downright unpleasant. Cars like this one are buried, as not a lot of people have really ventured out today in Evergreen because of the difficulty in getting around. I-70 is open again, but part of 285 southbound is closed. A lot of people are going to have big stories about this storm.
At night, there is still snow to clear. In Evergreen, where the trouble is deep, the work is just getting started. In lots, vehicles are parked and people are sleeping off a long day and night. You're kind of stuck. Couriers Maria and Mark Mattern simply could not get home.
Couldn't even get into the drive or the beginning part of the road because the snow was so thick and heavy.
Neither could this woman.
I was working all night at the hospital, Swedish and Aurora, and then now I can't get to my house.
She was only about 1,000 feet away, but stuck fast.
It's like just this really wet snow.
Chris and Chance Palmer took a long walk to get some gas for the snowblower.
I was telling him this is probably the worst I've seen it, because normally I think I can get out no matter what with a four-wheel drive or a Subaru. But no, this time, no.
Plow drivers are exhausted.
Been working about 20 hours or so.
At the Comfort Suites, weary, stranded travelers sought refuge.
Are you tired?
Yes. Ready for bed. Ready for check-in time.
The Dyer family from Houston had left Beaver Creek for the airport.
And then we got completely stuck in Idaho Springs. So we slept in the car. And that was an experience.
But some are making the best of it, like the Butlers from Memphis, who had the look of a family with matching hoodies.
Our luggage didn't leave the plane, and they sent it the next day to Steamboat. So we're here at Evergreen without any clothes. So we stocked up at Jiffy Lube since it was the only thing open. Trying to make the best of it.
I did not know Jiffy Lube sold clothing.
It was new to me as well. I think I set the world record for highest purchase.
Or Kaya the dog, who found the deep snow just a treasure.
Oh, look at you. Oh, no.
So a lot of people have a whole bunch of digging yet to do to get out. How about this car back here? This one is completely covered. Michael and Karen, okay.
Oh.
What kind of car is it? I mean, you should be able to tell here.
How can you tell? I have no idea what that is.
I'm gonna go Subaru just because I feel like that gives
Everybody
us the best
has a Subaru?
opportunity. Yeah.
Maybe you know me too well. 2003 Subaru Forester. Clearly, guys. I mean, come on.
Of course.
Just
how could I have missed it?
I think I'm just going to let that one melt off.
Yeah.
Thanks, Alan.